Where's the end of the 7? How many do you have? First car right here, please.
A little bit less. We got another hour to go.
That's okay. We'll make it.
Louis, hour O.
Louis.
How many?
Louis
Come on. Car 2.
Wir haben nur
How many?
eine Uhr.
Car 3.
Sprechen de Deutsch ist nicht gut.
Ja.
How many?
Gib mir eine große Kopfschmerz.
Car 4.
Right, look. Brake on. Brake off. When the engine's on. I'm going to see.
How many? Oh. Those passengers sitting on track 3, please face forward. Keep your hands and feet inside. Please do not rock those cars. Reach out and grab anything. Please secure all camera cell phones and you cannot use them at any time while on that train. A 2 up there. 2. Please slide forward. Slide forward. Minutes when that gate's locked. Put the cameras away. Hold it. All right, go. Clear. I don't want to get up, but I guess I better help the old man out. Thank you. First car, please. How many, please? Oh, pardon me. 2. Car 2, please. How many, please? Car 3, please. How many? That's not what he said. How many? 5. Car 4, please. Whoa, wait a minute. Hold it. And next group. How many in that next group, please? Come on. Three and two. How many in that next group? How many? There you go. Somebody in your family's been busy. No. I got three up there. Do we have three up there? Three? Come on down.